If you're cooling out up there,
Yes.
brother, come down. Let we have a talk. Wow, Philip.
Yes, I told it.
My people is crying out for you, my brother.
All right.
So my people. I have found Philip. Oh man, Philip,
Yeah, yes.
you're back, my brother.
One of man.
Yeah, come down. Let me talk with you. Stamp OG hardware. That is my people. Right in the area where Philip is located. We have a hardware here. I'm going to feature shooting the people and I'm going to be asking a few. As long as you know the Spanish down here, feel free to give this hardware your full support, my people. See? Starting at this point. We are giving 1 year, my people, so you can extend to all the way back there. So, my people, you see? I'm just going to give you with some pieces of what he has to offer here. Yeah. My brother, you feel in your face. Can you sing?
Can I sing?
You tell me, say, you're a bad artist. You know? From when you tell me, say, you're a bad artist, you're better than Bob Marley. By 10 times.
You're
better than Philip.
When pressure reach me?
You're better than Philip by 15 times. Philip's supposed to be the toughest artist around town here.
Well, I don't think, but
I am searching for a
pressure reach me.
my people. I am searching for a promoter to expose Philip. Philip have a lot more to offer my people, so I'm going to be asking of you to. If you're in the music field, reach out to Everbless and I'll pass on Philip to you. As we go. Hey. Come across, my brother, come across.
That's it.
Our family. Philip is here.
One love, Philip. One love.
Philip.
Yeah, respect our man.
Philip.
Respect our man.
Try you. Okay. I'm here Philip again, my people.
Yeah. One love.
Me find my friend, my people. Me find my friend.
Together again. Back together again.
Yes.
I tell you. Something to take away.
You see, a lot of people is in this part of ground, my people. They come to do water testing to see, I don't know, what Philip is on this spot of ground here, my people.
Yes.
Stay tuned.
Foundation.
Stay tuned and listen to Philip's story. Philip has something you want to talk to me about, my people. Stay tuned for that.
Kestonard Gordon,
Yes.
Vice Chairman, St. Catherine Parish Development Committee and founding President of Friends of the Rycobre.
Yes. So I see you're with a group of people who saying that you're testing the water. Testing the water for what?
All right. These are a group of persons drawn from various communities alongside the Rycobre. And the objective is that we have a program sponsored by JET, Jamaica Environmental Trust,
Yes.
where we are training them to gather water testing samples from the river
Yeah.
and to present them in an acceptable, preserve them in an acceptable form for transfer to the lab.
Yes.
Because we have regular pollution going on in the Rycobre.
Yes.
Almost every year, 2-3 times for a number of years now.
Yeah.
We have corporate dumping in the river.
Yes.
And caustic coming into the river, killing off the fishes,
Yes.
killing off animals that use the river.
Yes.
Sometimes the water commission has to shut down its treatment plant in Spanish Town
Yes.
that provides water to Kingston,
Yes.
Portmore, and the general Spanish Town area.
Yes.
So the objective is we are here trying to mobilize the community and to educate them into understanding the scientific operations of the river, and to get them to be familiar with the terms that are associated with the basic scientific interpretation, getting them to understand what is the pH level, what is the acidity, what is the caustic, the causticity of the river, and the conductivity and so on. These are terms that we have in teaching them to be familiar with.
Yes.
So we are conducting this training exercise. We have taken them to quite a number of points, from the main point where the effluent is released from the backside company into the Rockover, and we test along various sites, various streams, because this river is consisted of hundreds of underground streams and gullies and so on, tributaries that come into the Rockover. So we try to take them to each spot to test, to show the different level of the pH level, the level of the acidity and the caustic soda that is in, and to do a comparison to determine which of the locations we usually have more pollution.
I appreciate you for doing that, my brother. Let me say this for you. Saturday, I organized an event, this spot of ground, and the intention was for YouTubers, hunters to come and catch, cook and eat.
Right.
We couldn't do it because we were told that something threw in the water a couple of days before.
Exactly.
And in my channel, if you check out Everblessed Travels, I was saying NEPA need to do a better job in stopping the people from dumping things inside of the river, because it is really cramping the livelihood of thousands of people.
A whole lot of people.
I appreciate you for doing that, my brother.
It is, I mean, and listen to me, one of the big problems that we have with NEPA is that they are the police of the river, and they are supposed to conduct all of this training exercise. But they don't involve the community.
That is
they will come and they do their testing, and when we ask them for the results, they keep it to themselves, and we have to apply through the Access to Information Act to get those information.
Keep pushing, my brother.
And sometimes they deny us, and we have to appeal to get those results. And sometimes they will issue press releases stating that they have identified what is the source to pollute in the river, but they refuse to name those sources. And so for the last...
And your job is to put a stoppage to that?
Our job is to put a stoppage to that, and what we have done so far, we have gotten 3 criminal charges against Windalco. That never happened before, for criminal violation of the river. And we have several other companies. We have separate under investigation. There's, I mean, True Juice
I agree with you, my brother.
has been
You
charged,
need to put a stoppage
right?
to it,
And we have places like Wisinko. We have them under investigations, right? Because these people, they find it more convenient to release their substances into the river. And
my people, I'm here with Philip. And Philip has missing from the spot of ground, my people, as I told you before. But I found what Philip has returned back to where he normally do. Where have you been, Philip?
Well, I was in Old Harbour. Old Harbour. And I was in some woodland. But the people them say they want me to go up on the farm. And when I was on the farm, I was trying to clear up the farm. But they tell me, say, they don't want that. They want me to cut down woodland. So I can't manage the woodland. So I walk out of the woodland.
So did they know that you left?
No, they don't know that I leave. It's 3 miles. 3 miles I walk outside woodland, because I can't stay there alone. No light and, water. Because I have water in a drum, but I don't want to use that water when I drum. Because the cover was rusty. You understand? And to cut down the woodland now, they expect me as a man to take cutlass and cut down woodland.
Not a man, a whole man.
Yeah, as an elder man. To take a cutlass and cut down woodland. No, people use machine now. And cut down woodland. I have a cutlass. I don't even have a file to sharpen my cutlass.
Some people, I'm gonna encourage you that if you want to be an assistant to Philip, I want you to take his interest at heart. Don't just take him and put him anywhere. Pay attention to his age and know what he can manage and what he can't manage.
And they're telling me to say something to the Prime Minister too.
They tell you to say something to the Prime Minister?
People,
No, we don't want you to say anything to the Prime Minister. You think the Prime Minister, they are saying to you, you must tell the Prime Minister something you need, right?
Yeah. I know me.
The person who come for you know you?
He know me.
No, the person who come for you know you?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I know him.
Okay.
So I'm saying,
Yeah.
if this is going viral now,
Yeah. You want
And-
this message to go viral?
yeah,
All right.
and it's going
Send out a
viral.
viral message, Philip.
Okay. Prime Minister, you know me. I want to speak to the Prime Minister. You the Prime Minister now.
Yeah.
I am one of your gardener,
Yeah.
right? Your gardener.
Yeah.
And right now, I can't get to see you and talk to you, but I am your gardener. And I am homeless on the street and I need help.
Yeah.
And this is the only way I see that I can contact you right now.
Yeah.
And I would like to see you do your best to try to do something to help me.
Yeah.
Because you know that you know who I am.
Where Prime Minister name?
He's Mr. Andrew Holness.
Oh, okay.
And I know him.
I just want to make sure you know.
I know him. Right.
So, Mr. Andrew Holness,
Right.
Philip is saying that he needs your assistance, sir, to
Right.
support him to get a home for him to live in.
Yes. It shouldn't be a man like me who you know. I remember, near your gardener. I shouldn't be on the street homeless like this. And you know that. And you know that.
Yes.
And I have nothing more to say. As long as you get this message, you try and contact me.
Yeah.
You know I am at. You can tell them where I'm
All right,
at.
the person who come and get you, send a message to that person.
Yes, the person ever blessed.
The person who come and get to take you from the Spanish town and carry you all out. Send a message to that person because they're watching.
Oh, that person, well, I had to leave because I can't manage it. I just cannot manage that. You say you want the woodland to chop down and I can't manage that. That's why I leave. That's the only problem. That's all. Yeah.
Some of people, they hear Philip.
Yeah.
He's being honest. The only thing I don't like about that is that Philip should have contacted the person who removed him first before. So I'm also gonna say this. I am trying my best. The main thing that I want for Philip is a place for him to stay. That means him can live there and comfortable and get him shower and all of that. I don't want no one to come and get Philip and get him into no more situation like that. You understand what I mean? So some people mean Philip well when you're planning on coming and taking him up the next time around. So somebody in the music industry to reach out to you. Come out of the sun, Philip. Sun are burning. So my people, Philip is gonna get a shower right here in the river. Philip, I have you changed the clothes from last week. Hold on to me.
Yeah,
all right. So I have you changed the clothes from last week.
And I'm trying to get to the Marleys. The Marley,
Yeah.
I remember say, me and Bob, a brethren.
Yes.
And I thought,
Sing one Bob Marley song for me. Sing one Bob Marley for Bob Marley Sunday.
all right. One, I went and say, one love,
Chana.
one heart, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Hear the children crying,
Hear
one
Philip crying.
love. Hear the children crying, one heart. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright.
Him say if you reach out to him and get him a place to stay, he will feel alright. Sing.
Well, hear what I want to tell you now. You don't know me, because I am your elder. I am here before you born, but I know you, and you don't know me. So don't worry about that, because
Who
I know
you
you.
send that message to?
Bob, you them.
Okay.
I not tell them.
Bob Marley,
Say, I
send them.
know them.
Yeah, okay.
But especially Ziggy.
Oh,
Not
now you love talk about Ziggy.
yeah, me know. I him especially. Because me make him have the name there.
Chana, what's that?
And me make him have, because Bob asked me, say, where to call him?
Yeah,
And I say, call him Ziggy, man.
okay.
And that make him name, so.
Some of people, we are back at Kent Village, where Philip get his shower. And Everbless is here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Everbless.
Yeah, man. And Philip says he's grateful that he is back.
Oh,
So that he
I
can
said,
get a shower.
big up Everbless stores every time.
Yes.
Every time,
Yes.
big it up.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
respect our manners.
Yes, Philip.
Yeah, man.
You
Yeah.
follow Bob Marley as Scott Pasco Island?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So they still have them land there now?
Yeah, we have it in a control.
Okay,
We have
okay.
it in a control.
Okay.
Me say the rats, them box me all on my face up there.
They have views, Philip.
That's why I don't believe they do things when I right.
Okay. All right. So my people, You hear it from Philip. And you're seeing Everless Travels. And Philip is saying that one love, one heart. Let's give thanks and praise to the Lord and feel alright. And Captain Nairo. Or Nero. Iro. Captain Iro is in the building, my people. Captain Iro is our tour guide for today. Captain Iro, let me tell you, I came here Saturday and I appreciate every move you make. You put out heavy effort to make my event go through. I am now saying to you, sir, that I appreciate you.
Yes, man, I have to do that, you know, because I see what face you at the time.
Yes.
So therefore, when you come, I can't just make you go back, right?
Alright.
You have to see to it that something happen.
Yeah, man.
That's why at one point in time when you worry yourself, you say take what you can take now.
Yes.
Now when you go for the farm, cross on the zip line. You say take what you can take.
Yes.
No, because you must come back over there.
And that was right.
Right.
And that was right. And my people, this place continued to be in the... I said, let me put the post then?
Yes, man. Up in the
Hey,
deep, solid.
I tell you, this place is in big plans. Nice place, my people. So that we can have some hangout spot. I was told that zip line is gonna go in some of these trees. Whoa, this developer here is going on with a bag of things. Kent Village for you, my people. Yeah, and the work continues. See, don't pay attention to what you're seeing now. In a couple of days or weeks from now, this place will be banging. No joke. Yeah, man. Improvement to everything around here. Nice. These are gonna be bathrooms. They're gonna be bathrooms here. These places are gonna be bathrooms. Some people. The development of Kent Village. I will show you half the place. Take a good look, my people. Shop right there. And Everbless is walking through for you. Yeah, man. And we have a bunch of workmen down that side. I'm going to show them to you. I'm going to show you some of the people that is making the boardwalk to be beautiful. This is a shed. This is a gazebo shed that they, you know. So the boardwalk continues. Pick up yourself, right, man. You're doing a marvelous job here. I appreciate you for that. I can't wait for you to finish.
Yeah, it's all finishing for ourselves.
Oh, you mean?
Yeah.
So my people, that is one of the workmen that is working here. And Everbless is walking on this here. And I am right there. And the river is right there. My people, when I'm walking, I can feel the bounce. But these woods are 2B6 mixed with 2B4. So they give you the bounce. And guess what, my people? Stirrup will drop almost on my head. Beauty. I can feel the bounce. Yeah. In village, this is the man that does the metal work. I mean, he's doing all the fencing. Somebody else is doing the border. So my brother. Today I'm with Jason.
Yeah, man, I'm Jason.
All right. And Jason does welding.
Welding, electrical, everything, but now this is welding.
Okay.
Understand?
So for the wonderful job that we are doing here, and if somebody else wants to give you a job, can you give them a phone number so how they can contact you?
Well, you can reach me at 545-8184.
Yes.
Right? 545-8184. Any metal work.
All right, my brother.
That's all.
All right. Some people you're hearing for all of the metal work. That means it's not just fencing. If you want grill work or any other work you want to do.
Yes, everything, man. Everything welding.
Yes.
Gate, grill, everything.
All right, people. So stay tuned.
Give me a call.
Give him a call. You give a good job. Him say he might not have the best price, but he have the best job. For the board, for all this board work here that is going on in Kent Village. Supervisor, where today we are with?
Clayton.
Yeah. And Leighton is saying that.
Clayton.
Clayton?
Yeah.
You have a mass over your mouth, so I couldn't hear your words clearly. But so you're saying that for all anyone who want to have a settings like that, that means you do house, top roofing and all everything.
Everything construction.
Everything construction. Give a phone number for somebody to reach him about.
451
Yes.
0274.
Yeah, and for everything construction.
Everything
In terms of all wall and all, building
Everything.
wall and everything.
Yes, everything.
Some of people. Then company name will be listed. So check out the people. I'll give them the full support. Whoa! See the fire coming also. And my people. You can see the river. And them are do the boardwalk here, my people. And they're working alongside the river here. They are working on the cool temperature. So what next one, my people? Look at them man there. You subscribe to my channel, my people. I appreciate you, my brother. Yeah, man. Look at the water. I come from the river, my people. And see my fire from there. Fire away, my people. Fire away. I fireman, that my people. I fireman. All of them go there before they are done. They walk from them. That is it, my people. That is it. We're showing off this beauty, the beautification of this place, my people. So, direction, again, coming from Spanish Town, that side. They have the hilly terrain, the beauty. And that end is that you're coming from Linstead. And this is the venue here, my people. Under construction. So all this that you're seeing here is not going to be much longer there. So stay tuned and listen to that. And never bless you. Showing what this place is going to be like in the coming months. Oh, and to show where you go down there, so this place is going to be covered. My people, this place is going to be so nice. Can't wait to announce the full name of this place to you all. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Whole heap of space inside. Whole heap of space inside. Yes. That's how I think comes up, my people. So, my people, I'm going to be asking of you to continue to give Ever Bless your full support. Like, share, and subscribe. And I, Ever Bless, will in return come back and say thank you. I can't thank you enough, my people, for your continued support. Yeah, man, and the support can't too much. Continue to share my video with your family and your friends, my people. I'll appreciate it. And as we are in, I said before that we are in Kent Village. They're developing this area, so you hear a lot of noise. But nothing make tree there. We have a kitchen here. This is where we cook. And the last link up. Big up yourself, Captain Kirk. Big up yourself, father and son. Appreciate you for your support. Wildlife family, thank you for supporting Ever Blessed Travels. And my first link up where I manage or I organize the first link up. Thank you so much, Boom family. Appreciate you, my brother. It's a Jamaican thing, Stevie. Big up yourself. Kirky Outdoor Living. Appreciate you so much, my brother, for your support. Yeah, man. The thing. Yeah, man. Really appreciate you for your support, my brother. And I'm on the boardwalk again. Can't get enough of this place. Yeah, man. And the river is right there. Yeah, and I'm thinking that he's gonna go that way, go around that side. This place is just super nice. Yeah, man. Seafood and drinks. You're at my event. You cook for Ever Bless, and the full team that are here. Appreciate you. Yeah, man. Keep pushing. Keep supporting others. No joke. And for all the persons who watch my videos, comment on my videos, like my videos, share my videos with your families and your friends. Ever Bless is saying, big thank you to you. Appreciate you again. Yeah, man. So, my people, I'm just making this walk appreciation walk to say thank you. I also want to give God thanks that our elderly Philip is back. Someone come and took Philip from the spot that he was resided in, here where him stay at, and Philip walk away. I'm going to be asking of persons who want to be of assistance to Philip, please to do so. Some of people today for Philip, Philip get a new pants.
Right.
See my people, brand new pants.
Right.
Philip also get a shirt, my people.
Yeah.
Philip get a shirt.
Change your clothes. Can change clothes.
And Philip get another shirt. It's gonna be the choice of what he want to do. And this video is sponsored by So you watch what?
I watched Everbless last night, and Everbless said that Philip was missing.
But we find him.
Right.
And he's here to take a shower.
Yes.
I said, welcome back, Philip.
Oh, nice. And Brittany is here. Brittany has a bright smile.
Yes, you right.
Me mind to me, Brittany. So my people, I'm back with Philip
Respect.
from the original spot that I got him.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Say something to me, people.
Well, we had a good day today.
Yes.
We went and we had a bath, and you know, we enjoy ourselves.
Yes.
And I appreciate it. We got some new change of clothes
Yes.
from Everbless stores.
Yeah.
And I appreciate that because nobody is not really trying to assist me.
Yeah, man.
So I appreciate it, and I appreciate the help that he has been doing for me. He is a good brethren,
Yes.
and I love the work that he is doing, and I want you to support Everbless tours
Yes.
in his mission
Yeah.
of helping others.
Yeah, man.
Respect our manners, people.
So my people,
Yeah.
like, share, and subscribe. And I Everbless will see you in the next video.
Right.
Your location that.
Yep.